right now I am currently at, let's see, where is picture? Oh, I'll show you when I get downstairs. Walk down the steps, down the steps, down the steps, down the steps. So what are we going down? Finally here. So where we are right now is, oh look, there's already one of the cats here. Look.
It was around just like 2 minutes ago.
Okay.
That way. Mingo.
That was one of the 5 cats. 2 of them are really shy. So if you look, if you come outside here, you should see one of the other ones. Oh, good time to tell you where we are right now. We are.
You was a said?
We are at the El Gato Perdido, which means, well, in Spanish, that's what it is, but in English, I'm Guatemala right now, in English, it means the lost cat. Don't ask. Pretty good name. Now, where are the others? I mean, you'd like to see them around here. We have one of the other cats. Oh, there's one of the others. I'm pretty sure, yeah, that's one of the others. Well, they don't listen. So, right there, we are at El Gato Perdido. And we are, this is like the cat's room. Sadly, you can't see any of the cats right now because they're on a coffee break. Cut. Resume. Okay, so now we're back outside. I know, I just had to walk like 5 feet, but who cares? We're walking down the path. Walk, walk, walk. Walk, 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 walk. Walk, 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 walk. I'm pretty sure one of the cats went in here. I think there's the black and white one went in there, but I don't know. There's so many cats here. They're like 5, so the one that I'm looking for is the orange tabby. That's a boy. I forgot what the name was, but one of the cats' name is COVID because don't ask. So if you just look around, you'll eventually see some. Just don't exactly know where to look. It's like these cats don't want to be found. Please tell me if you see any of them in the comments or something, because I sure don't. Oh, what? You. Okay, moths. Just walk, 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 walk. Don't seem to be seeing anything. Hey, Mom! Dad! Mom! Dad! Mom. Dad. Yeah, anyway, so, back to searching for the cats. We have, I don't know. I don't know where else to look. I haven't explored this place much, so I don't know where to go. These little cats go everywhere. One of them's only 6 years old. Well, that's pretty much 50 for a cat, but My terms, it's cute. So I don't see any of the other cats right now. These two are walking around. These so cute cats, looking for cats. Oh, and I might mention, hey, sorry that I'm not finding any cats. I'm gonna pause the video and tell you when I find some.